Hello. I wanted to clarify the answer to this question. So we're trying to find the total area, and what I notice is it's in irregular shape, which means it's more than one shape put together. So if I were to just draw a line, let's say right here, I can now see that it's made up of two separate rectangles. And the way of finding the area of a rectangle is just length times width. So I'm going to pull this top rectangle out and redraw it up here, a little bit smaller than what it looks, and draw this one below it. So the goal is to find the area of this rectangle, which will be here, and the area of that rectangle, which is here. So this rectangle measures 6 by 4. So 6 times 4, length times width, is 24. And the area of this bottom rectangle is, looks like we have 3 as one dimension, but the other dimension I'm not sure of until I realize that if this whole distance is 6 and this is 2, it means they've taken 2 away from the 6, so 4 ends up being how wide the bottom of it is. So length times width would give me 4 times 3, or 12. And now you just add the areas together. The total area would be 24 plus 12, which is 36. And then your label, because we're dealing with centimeters, would be square centimeters because it is area.